Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a custom video thumbnail to your video on YouTube using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, a YouTube video, as well as a thumbnail we could have created on our Mac, iPhone using AI. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what you want to do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Content, and now locate a video that requires a thumbnail change or requires a thumbnail to be uploaded to that video itself. Let's go to details of the video. Let's scroll down to the thumbnail section. If I were to, let's just say, increase the size of this, and before I click on upload the file, let's now hover over the information that tells us that recommendations: make your thumbnail 1280 by 720 pixels with a ratio of 16 by 9. Ensure that your thumbnail is less than 2 MB. This will obviously change in the near future to, I think it's about 50 MB, but I'm not too sure. I will double check and reconfirm again in the near future when I were to, let's just say, redo this video. Use JPG, PNG, or GIF file format. Make sure your thumbnail follows the community guidelines. We can click on learn more if we need to. So upload file, select the file within any of your folders, or let's just say from the desktop. Spacebar, respond to comments using AI. That was the previous video, which we are now working on. Already been uploaded. Now we want to just upload a thumbnail. Click on upload. As you can see, that was uploaded, now has uploaded. Let's now click on save, and that itself should change to the brand new thumbnail. As we can see, the changes have been saved. Go back one, and there we go. That thumbnail itself has updated to that particular video based on our selection. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.